Let's fly over and see what's what. Alright, so the runway's 20. That's not bad. Well, let's set up for our landing. Alright, so bring it around. Ooh, she's squirrely. Push me over into the freaking runway if I'm not careful. Alright, flaps are down. Okay. You know what? I'm going to probably have to do a long approach. Ooh, pushy, pushy. She's pushy. Alright, here we go with the turn. Alright, we're down to about 100 knots. This thing probably lands at about, I don't know, maybe 80 or 90. Probably slower, maybe 70. Let's see if I can see the airport. Coming around. The wind's pushing me. Pushing. Oh, she's pushing. Look at it. Look at it. It's like freaking sliding. I'm doing the Tokyo drift. Yeah. The Syria drift. Oh man, look at that. Ooh, this landing's gonna be interesting. That's for sure. Alright. Man, I can almost just hover. I'm thinking. Alright, checklist, flaps down. Let's drop the landing gear. Okay, landing gear's down. Look at this. Oh, wow. Okay. It's going to be some last minute rudder. Alright. Propeller forward. Props forward, okay. Wow. Boy, she does not want to stop flying. Wow, look at this angle. This crosswind's gonna be a bitch. Okay, here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, look at that. Oh. Crap. That didn't work out too well. Got caught, snagged on the fence. Oh boy. I broke the plane. Oh well.